Happy New Year. Welcome back to the Couture Image YouTube channel. As you can tell, we're getting ready to do another quick weave. Actually, on the last video that I posted of this young lady, we did a bob, a curly bob, but we're going to do something a little different this year for the new year. I have no idea what it'll come out as, but when you're doing a quick weave as such, you notice I braided her down. Okay, just to get it flat around here, and I put a stocking cap on, and what I'm doing is I'm going through with needle and thread, and I am securing this stocking cap on by sewing it. We're just building our foundation, and what we're going to do is continue sewing the stocking cap on as such. So we're putting the finishing touches, securing the stocking cap. We're back, and I'm taking my client from under the dryer. We've created that shield that we want to protect the hair from an excessive amount of glue seeping through. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to go ahead and cut the perimeter of the stocking cap off. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've cut this perimeter off, and now we're going to start bonding the hair off. So we're finishing up bonding these tracks. We're almost through. We're just coming around the front, around the bang area. Instead of bonding them straight down, we're going to bring them around in a curve formation. And also, this spritz is really, really good to secure your wefts. So we're going to just add a few tracks, color, to make this quick weave pop and give it some life. You're getting right up around her leave out. You want to get as close as possible to where the part is, before you don't have any gaps or any spaces. We want this to be as seamless as possible, so when the leave out is pressed out, it will lay just right on top of the foundation that you've created. And what we're doing now is we're just going to press the lead out. And the flat iron. Nice press out look is Red Pro 460. I absolutely love my Red Pro 460 iron because it does the trick without having to put any product on the hair. You can just press and go.